Hi, I'm Miss Moore. I'm the pre-K teacher here at Chaffee Elementary School. I am super excited about the 2020-21 pre-K school year. Our theme in the classroom is the Very Hungry Caterpillar, but we're also going to have a grace and flexibility theme this year as well. We are in uncharted territory. We all are learning as we go. And so I just ask, that we have grace and flexibility towards each other during this first 9 weeks of remote learning. I'm super excited about meeting all of you. I'm super excited about the virtual meetings that we're going to have. I'm super excited about when you guys come into the school building. We are going to have a lot of fun. I can't wait to meet you. And again, I'm Miss Moore. A little bit about myself. I've been teaching for 4 years. I don't have any children. I consider all of my pre-K students, the ones coming in, the ones that are in other grades, I still consider all of them all of my babies. I absolutely enjoy what I do. And again, I can't wait to see you guys. And I am going to turn it over to Miss Whitey, our co-teacher, who is absolutely fabulous.
Hi guys, I'm Miss Whitey. I'm very excited to meet you guys. I have been working with Miss Moore since last year, and I moved here last year from California with my family, so I'm still kind of new to the area as well. I am a mom, so I'm right there with the parents with the remote learning. I have a daughter who is in third grade, and I have a son who is a senior, and I have a 14-year-old stepson as well. So we are very busy, and all of us are in this together this year. So we're going to get through it. It's going to be great. We are here to help you guys, and I really look forward to meeting you guys and talking to you guys more on some of our lives, and hopefully seeing you in person, and if you're able to come pick up your supplies. So look forward to talking to you guys soon, and welcome to pre-K. Bye-bye.
Bye, guys.